Okay, we took a break from filming. Don't hate me, but I'm gonna fill you in. That's what this is right now. Okay, just real quick. From Amsterdam, we got to Florence. It was raining. It was cold. I didn't want to film for obvious reasons, but we took a taxi in. The taxi service is pretty simple, as most airports are. There's a line. You get in the line. The taxi's there. You get in the taxi. Taxi. Where you can go. Boom, done. So we got to the hostel and spent the night, and it was cold and wet because they don't know how to not make it wet inside. I don't know why, but the inside of this hostel was damp and cold and moist, and when you slept in the blanket, it felt like they had just washed them but not dried them. I don't know. First thing in the morning, I woke up and I was like, I'm out of here. Ran, got a coffee, rented a Vespa. Then we proceeded to get on the Vespa and drive 30 minutes into the countryside in Chianti in the rain and in the cold. So we turned on a GoPro for that, so you'll see it from there. Let's roll that intro. We actually haven't vlogged in a while, just because it's been a stressful. We were also really tired. We've been tired. We're sort of over it, but we've been waiting for this moment. Like we've been in Italy for I don't know, like maybe like 12 hours now. Yeah. But we've been waiting for this moment and this moment alone to get to Chianti, to get to this villa, and holy shit! I thought it was gonna be cool. I didn't know it was gonna be So you're gonna see everything. It's gonna be awesome. Without further ado, here's the place. Oh my gosh. So that was that. I hope you liked our villa. I hope you liked the way it all looked. This is it. We're in Chianti. We have an amazing view in our backyard. Look at that view. We have wine. We have food. I have 2 steaks, prosciutto, guanciale, parmigiano reggiano, mozzarella, strawberries, fresh pasta and gnocchi. I'm so excited. This is... In Florence, the hostels they're not that great. I haven't stayed in a whole lot of Italian hostels, but the hostels aren't that great. It's not the same kind of hostel that you're gonna get in Barcelona or in Amsterdam, in Germany or whatever. They're just different. It's just a different vibe. I'm gonna
That was fucking crazy.
Whoops.
Okay. You look devastated.
I'm sad that I broke a glass of wine, but the wine didn't spill.
but try to get a place that has a kitchen for you, whether it's the hostel that has a kitchen for you or the hotel itself. You know, maybe has like a little kitchen or like a villa like this where it's a little apartment. It's just gonna save you a little bit of money for eating, but not even so much for that, but it's great to be able to go to the local market, shop locally, buy produce, and just go and cook all your own food yourself. Like, it's amazing. It's pretty easy to go to the market and sort of navigate through everything. The people there are pretty awesome. If you wanna try something, ask them and they'll typically be like, yeah, go ahead and try it, you know? So when we bought strawberries, it's like, oh, are these, you know, sweet? And they're like, yeah, I could have tried some. Tomatoes, you know, the olive oil, the meats. The meats for sure, the cheese. Yeah, shop like a local and cook like a local because the food is amazing. The reason why all the food out here is so good is because all the products are so fresh. And it's not that expensive too. If you can go to the market, you can go and buy fresh pasta, like they made it, you know, it's freshly made or whatever, and it's cheap. It's like for 2 pounds of pasta, it's like $9. So it's like 6 servings or 5 servings or something like that. It's like it's 800 grams, I think. It's almost 900 grams in a kilo, right? 900 grams in a kilo, about 150 grams per serving of pasta. I don't know why you need to know this.
Pasta facts.
Another thing, if you're in Italy, in Tuscany, get Chianti. Chianti is like the wine of the region. It's like best to just have it at the table, at the dinner table. Everyone can drink some. It's not really like not like the specialty wine. But it's not wine. Another tip, if you can find a little winery place, there's one that I like that's next to Sant'Ambrogio. I don't know the name of it, but it's over there. It's just like a little mom and pop winery place, and there's a few of them. You just ask around, like, hey, like, where can I go to get wine? So basically, you go to them and you buy like a couple bottles of wine, and they'll fill them up, and they'll give you the bottles, and they'll cork them for you and everything. And then when you come back, you can just bring the actual bottle and be like, oh, can I get a refill? And then they won't charge you a bottling fee, because at first they'll charge you like $1 per bottle or something like that. Because you're buying the actual glass bottle too, but when you bring it back, they won't charge you that anymore. They'll just fill it up, and it's like 3 or 4 euros per bottle tops. Like, you know, some of the higher ones are like 5 euros, but I think it's like 260, 250 or something like that for a bottle. Really nice way to just go again and get local wine, local produce, local everything. So we're excited. We're gonna go check everything out, and we'll check back in at some point or later, sooner or later. Hopefully, this is all not a dream, and we get to experience this for a long time. We'll catch you guys later. Hello, sir.
I'm the Lorax.
Okay.
Ciao.
So this is my new friend, and he also works here at Pensavo Peggio.
Yes.
And what was your name again?
Maurizio.
Maurizio. And so he was our server, waiter.
Yes, I work all the day here.
All the time?
Yes, all the time.
So you'll find him here every time. He's the best waiter, he's the best server.
Thank you.
Perfect service.
Thank
I couldn't have asked for anything better. So thank you very much.
Grazie, and rock and roll.
There you go.
Bye.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Take care. Ciao.